Hey, what's up, fam? It's Zeb here. Today we're going to be talking about 5 methods to make money online. These methods will help you make your first $100 a day starting today. Stay tuned. All right, guys, today's video is going to be about 5 methods to make money online and hopefully help you get your first $100 a day working from home. All these methods I'm going to be talking about today are free and can get you started today earning money. So let's first start off with a testing platform that allows you to earn money to test websites. All right, so this website is called UserTestingcom, and you can earn $10 per test. Each test takes about 10 to 20 minutes, and as soon as you finish the test and they approve what you talked about, they'll give you 10 bucks. So you can make 10 bucks every 20 minutes. So within an hour, you could make $30. So this is pretty cool. If you didn't have a job and you wanted to work 8 hours, I mean, that's what, 240 bucks in a 8-hour day. That's pretty cool, right? So what this site does is you need a headset like this, right? So it'll give you an app or a website to log into. It'll give you a set of tasks, and it'll want you to talk about what you're doing on that website. And as soon as you're done, you'll just submit your thoughts or your tasks that you were completing, and they'll review it, and then they'll send you $10 via PayPal. So that's a pretty cool site, and that is UserTesting.com. I'm not an affiliate at all to any of these user testing sites, but I thought they would be very cool. They're not get rich fast schemes or anything like that, but they will earn you some money at home if you're looking to work from home. The next one I'm talking about is UserFeel. It's pretty much the same type of user testing site. And what this one does is it wants you to go through the same thing, a set of tests. But what it's going to do is it's going to install software on your computer that is basically tracking what you're doing with your mouse, and you have to wear a headset on this one. You can't do it through just the mic. They want you to do it through a headset. So to become a tester, it's pretty much the same thing, right? So it's $10 per test. Each test is 10, 20 minutes. And what you do is you got to set a task. You talk about it. They don't want you to read from the website word for word. They want you to say, okay, this website looks pretty cool. I really like this. I don't like that. And that's what kind of feedback that they want. So for 10 to 20 minutes, you complete your task, they review it, and they send you 10 bucks. I mean, this is another great one. If I was looking to make some money and I didn't have a job, I'd be all over these user testing sites. That was the second site, right? So that one, usertest.com and userfeel.com are very just go make money right now doing testing. The next thing would be Fiverr, Fiverr. If you haven't heard of this, this is a site where you can go be a seller for many different things. You could be a graphic design, you could be a writer, you could be a musician, whatever your skill is, you can sell it here, right? So if I was coming here and I wanted to become a seller, and I was a web designer, I could develop websites. If I was a writer, I could write books or ebooks. If I was a voice artist, I could do commercials or readovers. If I was a musician, I could make money by making music for intros, or a video editor, I can make short films or whatever it is, right? People will pay you to outsource their work. So this is a great site, and very easy to set up, and you can make a lot of money. People make a lot of money in this this Fiverr. Another one very similar to Fiverr is called Upwork, and this one's Upwork.com, and it's pretty much the same thing as Fiverr, but it's a little higher grade. So it's all about getting doing your freelance work, and it's the same thing, right? So you sign up for your account, you put out what your skill is, and whether how much it is, and whether somebody's looking for your type of work, somebody will pay you to do that type of work. And this could be a number of different things too. And you can see here, like I'm a web developer. I'm charged $30 an hour. Of course, when you first get started in both of these, Fiverr and Upwork, you want to start low and get started, right? So that's a pretty cool site. So that was 4. And I'm going to go into affiliate marketing now. And before I go into affiliate marketing, you should check out this A Stupid Simple 5-Step Guide for Affiliate Marketing Beginners. It's an ebook that I wrote. The link's down in the description. Go grab it. It's totally free, and it'll help you in affiliate marketing. If you haven't played around in affiliate marketing, for the next 2, I'm going to give you a bonus 6, but the next 2 programs are free affiliate marketing programs, and this guide will help you through that. So the first one I'm going to talk about is ClickBank. You've seen me do videos on ClickBank. ClickBank is very cool. This is their site. They got it's free to join. You could create an account, very simple. They got tons of products, and all their products you can sell. They're set up. So say I wanted to be an affiliate for this program, I could actually sell this program for them at $97 and get a percentage of the money as an affiliate. Usually it's like 50%, so I could earn almost $50 off one sale, right? And they make the sales page for you and everything. You just got to send people to their link, and they set it up for you. I don't know if this will take us right to their sales page or not, but this is the product, and this is how they would buy it. Let me go to the affiliate marketplace real quick. So the affiliate marketplace, say I wanted to go to education. I wanted to go to this human anatomy physiology study course. I would go here, and this is the link that I would send the people to. And I would have a special code at the end here, and when they clicked it, they would read this. They'd be, oh, that's pretty cool. I'm going to buy this, and it would go to me, and then I'll get a commission on that sale. So I've done affiliate marketing through ClickBank and JVZoo, which is the next one I'm going to talk about. It's very similar to ClickBank. It also has a marketplace for affiliates to sell products. You could either sell your own products on both of these sites, or you can be an affiliate marketer for someone else's product and promote their products, and you could get a commission back from that. And usually the commissions, like I said, are about 50%, which is pretty cool. And JVZoo is really cool site. I've bought some things from JVZoo, and I've been an affiliate for products on JVZoo. So this is another one. It's free to sign up, and it's very easy to sell these products. All you need to do is do a quick review, maybe like a review video on YouTube of a product. And even if you didn't buy the product, you could watch somebody else's video of them giving a review and have something there to talk about that product. So you could start this by being absolutely free, make a video, do a review, point them to your link, and off you go. You'll start earning commissions. So I hope you found this video somewhat value add for you. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Again, there's a free ebook in the description below, and a link to my #1 affiliate marketing make money from home business. All right, so peace out. Hope you had a great day and you enjoyed the video. Any questions, comments, concerns, what you like, what you didn't like, please put them in the comments and I'll work on answering those comments. All right, guys, take care and peace out.